Oh, I crashed! Oh my god. Okay, give me a second to set everything up. My gosh. Sucks. That sucks so bad. I need to figure out why I crashed there. Most probably Unreal. Man, I was getting in the groove. I had a good song and everything. Okay, I just need to open up. Oh, not this. It's not. Crash! I'm back, but give me a second. I chose the wrong level to start up in, so I just need to change this. Oh, that sucks so bad. I can't believe I crashed just now, man. Hopefully it doesn't happen anymore on stream. Not that'll be a problem. Okay. Alright, I'm back. Alright, give me a sec. Let me turn on the air conditioner. Nice. I never had anyone see me do that before. So I'm glad that it's on live stream. This is a new kind of embarrassment for me. Maybe not embarrassment, it's just like I'm just shy. But yeah, it's just taking me into a whole new level of guts, I guess. I need to get used to looking at the camera when I talk too. You gotta give that eye contact to make sure that I'm engaging you guys. Oh man, I lost the work on the archers too. Oh. For some reason this is not completely lined up here. I'm just gonna move this. I think it'll look better if I move this. No, still the same. I'm gonna move this way. 180. Yes. Okay. Yeah, so now it's centered here. A lot better. I'm still so upset that I crashed. I got like not the blue screen of death, but I think it's just my GPU. I'm using a new GPU, but I've underclocked it, undervolted it. Not sure which term it is, but it's under something. It's honestly pretty good, 9070 XT. Pretty efficient for what it is. But Unreal is just such a monster, you know. Not giving any graphics card a chance. Okay, back to building the archers. Like mesh, arch. How was I using this one? This one? Yeah. Okay, that looks really nice. I'm just gonna chip out, copy this first. Okay, maybe not. Maybe not. I'll just build the arches first. I don't think it will save much time, even if I were to just copy over the windows, since I'm gonna have to change them anyway. So unique assets like that, you know, like these windows, they're like the centerpiece of the whole scene. I try to put some more love into them. To try to make sure I'm still in frame. I think so. I think I got my whole zone here this week in frame. Hang on, which one is this? Okay. Just checking my chat whether it's correct. Not lining up. Wait. 9? Wait, what? Gonna do that. One more. Okay, this one looks a bit higher than it's supposed to be. Yeah, that looks good. Does it not look centered? I feel it's not centered at all. Yeah. Try and focus out. For such a yeah. Doesn't look even. Like that? Yeah, that looks good. Yeah, that looks good. So let's just save this. I don't want to line it again. Window. So there's only one kind of broken. How big is it? 3.75. Okay, hang on. I'm just gonna stack them up first, then put it on. Is the window emissive? Wow. I mean, if it pulls off the look, I guess. Right. How many windows is this? 1, 2, 3, 4? 4. Okay. One more. all normal ones? 1, 2, no, 3 normal ones, and then okay, this one. Oh, my bad posture again. My RBF. Oh. Music is good though. Now I lock this. 3.75. Oh, it didn't do it accordingly. Not centered. Yeah, that's pretty good actually. Okay. I have 3.75. Trying to be a bit more accurate and take my time a bit more. I'm not sure, I've always been on the clock, and now it's the first time I can relax and enjoy it. That looks good. Right? Yeah, that looks good. I don't know why I keep thinking that it's not lined up with the arch at the top. But it must be. Oh, hi. Shaken 4? Shaken? Yeah? Did I get it right? Do you do Unreal too? Why are you interested in being a technical artist? Yup, to Unreal or to technical artists? Oh. It's always nice to have somebody to talk to. So I want to build this wall out to the right. It's a heat sheet. Sometimes prototyping in Unreal. What kind of game you doing? Do you also do Unity? You call it arch wall. Developer more. Programmer? Do you do C++ or do you rather do Blueprint? Oh damn, actually I have this problem with C++. I'm not sure if you have it. But every time I try to do it, right, the IntelliSense is kind of lagging. I'm not sure if that's the right. Right, it's lagging. I haven't tried it on this computer yet, but like the 2 other times that I tried it on Windows, it's been lagging pretty bad. I'm not sure if the same thing happens to you. Not lagging, maybe slow. Like just like takes a while for the IntelliSense to catch up. What kind of things do you what kind of need to configure it correctly according to tutorial? You should be fine in that case. Oh, there's tutorial. That's a that's a common problem that I have. I don't read tutorials. Yeah, but I'm starting to realize that being a developer is a lot of patience. What kind of stuff are you prototyping right now? What's your favorite genre to do? MMORPG? Oh my gosh. Is it do you have a page for it? Can I look at it? Man, that's a like a really tough game to do. In Unreal? Oh, is it realistic or stylized? Man, there's so many questions. To optimize my tolling, do 100. Let me see. I think 3 is good, and then I do another 3. Then this one I don't need this. Oh, I'm gonna rotate this, use it for a different wall. It's cool if you don't have a page for your game though. You did mention that you were just prototyping. I'm just curious what everybody got going on. I have to fix this shadow, but a bit later. Don't have any page, only Telegram group, just prototyping for learning purposes. Let me block this spot. wait, how do I block? Okay, this... I guess this bot is gonna be... Okay, I'm just gonna leave it there. Only Telegram group, just prototyping for learning purposes. I'm using own server solution created from scratch on C++ and own communications on Unreal site. Wow, that's actually pretty intense to do your own networking. Wow. What got you onto MMORPG? Are you like a professional developer? Game developer, maybe? I'm a professional technical artist. I was just recently laid off, I guess. But it's not too bad. It's just the company's having a hard time. Just have developer background, more web dev, full stack. That's pretty... I've seen a lot of web developers recently. Actually, from when I was studying in school, a lot of people wanted to be web developers too. What got you onto game dev though? Always wanted to make your own game? So I don't need this. Right now I'm just trying to rough out the shape of the building that I want, and then I'll come in and then start building out the rooms or shaping out the rooms more properly. Because I already have the assets, I don't have to go through with gray boxing and then creating my own 3D models for them. So that's one good thing about it being able to buy assets, is that you get to skip an entire step in the dev iteration process. Interesting that this is the back face isn't called, but interested. Oh, you're from Ukraine? That's cool. That's cool. I've seen some game studios in Ukraine too. There's some positions there, but they're not open for relocation right now because you guys have that the war thing. But it's cool. I'm from Singapore. There's a lot of I don't know what you call it, like foreign talent here. So I've talked to a lot of I guess foreigners who's not their main language isn't English either. But I get along well with them. Are you currently working on it right now as I'm talking to you? Oh man. Oh, it's really rough. It's been like so long, such a long time. Oh, war really sucks, man. And yeah, in Singapore we have like conscription, so we all go to the army. Looking right now, just take a little pause. Oh, thanks for hanging out with me on your break. A project manager position? Damn, that's a pretty. How many years have you been web dev now, though? Be right. I'm gonna line this up. Okay. More than 10 years, PM almost a year. What's the difference between web dev and project manager though? So it's like you're not managing a web project anymore? You're not coding anymore. Do you miss it? How do you feel about the whole AI revolution? How is it affecting your company, if there's any effect? Yeah, pet projects are the way. Back when I was working, my manager he also missed coding, man, but he had to keep assigning tasks and creating tasks, and I felt like he was more bummed out that I could finish my work early. But oh, I gotta assign more tasks to you. Okay, it doesn't matter to be too accurate here. Just wanna fill up this wall. Actually, right now I've actually recently I just did a technical test, and I feel like having AI sort of is helping the development process too. I just for technical artists, I just made like some quick plugin, which is part of the. Oh shit! What did I do? I accidentally disabled chat for YouTube. But yeah, I had to make this add-on for Blender where I export some values from some color values from a material and then I bring it over to the engine. Let me save this. And then yeah. Okay. Chat. I am PM with tech background, so I understand how it was for dev, QA and other. Very polite and comment and all is good. Oh, that's good. Good. Everything it's good that everything is going good for you. Reaction. About chat. Sorry. I accidentally disabled chat. Testing. Okay, it's fine. I am PM for tech. Okay, yeah, it's good that everything's going good. You guys worried about all the war situation going on over there? Or you guys not expecting? I'm not sure how to feel about having war just looming over your life. I mean, it must go on. Life must go on. You can't be too worried all the time. Yeah, it does help a lot with the projects that I'm doing too. Oh, much wall. Just gotta put this normal door here. I may have made this building too big. Oh, for you're using AI for your pet projects? Oh, thanks for saying that. You come back for like maybe one stream later. I'm pretty sure it will look a lot better. Because right now I'm working on my portfolio for tech art. I'll just show it to you. You see, there it is. So the previous one that I was doing was this one. Because I'm also a very technical person and then I'm working in tech art, I only had like tools made up in my portfolio and it didn't really look very nice. It didn't look very nice for the recruiters, I guess, just trying to sell myself. So I just try to make things look nice while I build tools for the things that I'm doing. But yeah, but hopefully I'll get to this level for this map, even though it's a lot bigger. Could be a bit of an overscope, but I'm hoping I can finish this within like 4 streams maybe. I feel like I really made this building too big. Yeah, just take 3 more walls here. Right, look at the size of this door, man. Damn. Okay, maybe I'll just take the whole. This center area is I'm trying to do like a cathedral party thing. I think you will find good funds investor for your time. Oh, thanks. But I'm not planning to make my own game right now. I'm thinking I just want to get a job and kind of gain more experience. But after I finish like maybe two more portfolio pieces, including this one, I might ease into working on my Unity project, which I am trying to make into a game. Yeah, that makes sense, right? Yeah. So I'm just trying to fill up my portfolio so that I have something to show when I'm applying for jobs. Then once I'm applying for jobs and having all that process going on in the background, I can let up on the amount of portfolio that I'm trying to let out on the amount of Unreal projects that I have to do to showcase stuff. Yeah. But is my audio okay since you're talking? Like, is the background music too loud? Gotta delete this wall. Moved it by 2. I think we are all selling our time. It's not a simple job. Then buy our time and skills, we sell it. Oh, they buy our time and skills. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, time I guess is the common denominator, like the real currency that we're trading away. That's correct. About here. 1. Yeah, that looks good. But how far into your MMO projects are you now? Is it payable? Do you have art assets for it already? So when I'm going to some company, I'm positioning myself as you need me and... Oh. Yeah. Yeah, I wish I could do that, but then... I don't know, man. It's like the employer's market right now. And... Did you see the news about how many jobs is New York created since the year started? New York jobs created 2025. Yeah, so it's like fewer than 1,000 private jobs from New York. I mean, this might just be New York, but America is like kind of like just such a big market that it's quite a good indicator for the world. No, you're right. I also try to position myself like that, but just that it's more. It's not about right now. It's not about trying to get the best offer right now. At least not for me. I'm just trying to find like a stable place to work through all this economy, the current economy. Yeah, and especially for games where like the games industry is not like a crucial part of the world, and it's not always getting funding from the clients. So one of the things is like, you know, they could just keep investing in their own company. Why would they just choose to hire some external company to do their work? Oh, thanks for your blessing. I will channel that energy and then send it back to all the people who are interviewing me. But I have gotten some interviews back since the last map that I did. So everything's going good. I'm just hoping for the economy to get better, then I can just then everything will be okay. I think I'm still like a very wanted person, I guess. It's just a lot of hiring freezes going on right now. Looking for floor. I have to lay this all out so I can see what's going on. Got small. Oh, this would be good. What was this? Arch floor curve. Makes sense, okay. Oh, this is good for the center part here. Are you familiar with PCG? Raw decal. Okay. I have assets, models, sound, music, etc. But it's all low poly or not so great. Honestly speaking, I think it's not about the style. The style of the asset. It's more about it's about the style of the asset. It's not about the fidelity of it. Like I think the low poly look is great. Like RuneScape, as long as the art style matches all your assets, I think the game will be completely fine. You don't have to focus too much about how the game looks, as long as your art style is cohesive, which is the greatest. Yeah, for prototyping is enough. I think it's enough for a full game, especially. I mean, if you look at RuneScape, like you're making an MMO, it should be okay. Art isn't completely it's not everything. Okay, wait, that was the big. What's this? The trim, I guess. More trims. Okay, there's only decals left. So I guess I'll use the big pieces. Fill up the floors. We just when I was working I main PCG. Oh no, I didn't do any of the textures or the current shaders, but I can do my own shaders, which I plan to do. I bought all these assets on Humble Bundle a while back, so it's not the current one. Are you trying to learn how to do your own 3D models? I don't think it's worth the time, to be honest. It takes a long time to model and do your own textures. Not to mention, like, it's more than just this diffuse texture. You got all the AO, the normals that you have to learn how to do. It's not worth the time. I have some primitive experience in modeling in Blender. Yeah, just a little bit just to fill up your game, like for the very niche objects. But to do modeling for your own game completely it takes too much time. It really does. That's why a lot of companies have their own artists, and it's not just one or two, they have like hundreds. Yeah, it takes a lot of time. That's one of the things that I should have known for myself. when I was starting my own project. I was like, I'm gonna model everything, I'm gonna texture everything, it's gonna be awesome, but nah. That's one of the downside about being technical artist is that I have to at least show that I can do it. I'm not looking forward to when I have to do it for my portfolio. I just feel like there's so many artists in the world, why even bother trying to compete with them when they have spent their time doing all that. Do I use TG? What's TG? Telegram? Yeah, I do use Telegram. But I'm not gonna pull it up on stream though. But you want me to join your group, I don't mind. But you gotta follow me in return, I guess. I'm like 3 away from being affiliated. I guess I'm not sure. I guess that means I can make some money from ads. Not too sure what's the diff between affiliated and partner. I can join your Telegram group. I mean, I can join your Telegram group if you want. It's not a big deal to me. I'm just I can open up once I join the group. I can open up the link here on the stream. Then we can watch it together. I don't mind. But if you feel YouTube is easier, it's also fine. I'm okay with either way. Oh wait, I'm a fool. Oh my gosh, I'm a fool. This is a world-based texture coordinate, so I don't have to build out one by one. Telegram. Okay. What's it called? Let's see. Let me put it here. View post. Oh, I think I have to log in. Alright, give me a sec. And here, all text on Russian. We'll skip it. Let me see if I can just try on incognito whether that works. Oh, okay. Oh, it's not letting me through. Okay, I'm just gonna get onto Telegram on my iPad and we'll see. It's cool. Give me a sec while I swap screens. Let me just do that. Okay. Oh wait, no, I can't show my center screen here. Let me just do that. And let me turn off this. Wait. This. And then I'll turn off that. Yeah. Okay, then now I can go on to a different link. How do I hide my... I'm just gonna watch it through. Okay, I can watch it like that. Oh, it's pretty cute actually. I think your asset works just fine though. I mean, let me watch it like that, I guess. Yeah, it does take a lot of time. So are you playing as a pig in your game? Like, are you like some farm animal? Cute. I think the asset works together pretty well though. You don't need to change it. Okay, let's watch this one. This was Haas for testing. Players will not be a pig in the future. Shame. Shame. You know, the Chinese have zodiacs and I'm a pig. I'm born in the year of a pig. And I think pigs are great, man. This is pretty cool. I don't know what you're talking about, man. It's pretty cool. So I think it's really good though. I think it's honestly pretty good that how far you've gotten with this. Like, it looks really good. I'm pretty sure people will already play it just like this. You don't have to buy more or make more assets. You guys can see this, right? Okay, yeah. Oh, that's your friend. He's dancing around. This must be your server test. There more? Oh, there's only 3. I think you got pretty good stuff though. Alright, let me close some stuff. Okay. Go back to the main. Back to working. It's really good, it's really good. I hope you have good luck in finding better assets, I guess. But I think it's pretty good already though, so I think working right now on items, loot and inventory. Wow, I think, yeah, I guess that's the toughest part, is to make sure that the items are synced with the server and also not be too... You have enemies in there, right? So how do you do it? How are you doing your enemies? In your server, it sets a location, and then on the client side, it does the walking, or do you do everything, including the walking on the server, and then you just displaying the game objects moving on the client side? That's what I'm doing on my own project. I hope I explained it well enough. It does sound a bit confusing. All logic is on server, client is just showing result based on packets. You're not getting any delays, like ping issues from doing that. So like one instance that I have issues with is that because the server is controlling all the players, and then when the player press like move, it sends the direction over to the server, and the server moves the pawn, right? So doesn't that cause like some delay from happening because of the distance it has to, like it sends over to the server confirms the movement and then moves the pawn itself. Is multi-threading async event based? So does that solve all the problem with the async? Oh, I have someone at the door. Give me a second here. Oh, thanks. My back? Yeah, I'm back. So yeah, I'm glad that C# kind of solves that issue. On my own project on Unity, I'm using Unity's multiplayer services. I got some lag issues, but it's not like it's not visually lagging. It's just that I know that the code is a bit slower than local. So I'm having some issues, but I fixed it already. It's just that I know that there's an issue there. But I'm glad that using C# you're able to separate out all of it with multi-threading to get it to work. Pretty cool. Oh, I didn't move this forward. Wait, I'm a fool. Oh my gosh, I don't need all these walls. All these wall base. Oh man. Ah. The big problem is not ping, it's interpolation and yeah, that's what I thought. So how are you handling all the enemy movement though? Is it just the final location is the only thing that you care about as a server? Or do you care about like how he moves from point A to B? Default built-in system server solution in Unreal is not for MMORPG. It's more like session-based game templates. Yeah. Unity is also the same thing, except unless you use the ECS system, then you can do MMORPG with those, but you have to change how you code there to use dots. But it's cool. What you have is cool. Are you planning to stream your development? How movement works? Server sends packet with coordinates and client. Okay, yeah. Yeah, that's probably the best move there. You don't have to do too much calculations on processing, CPU processing on your side. But there's like a whole other issue, which is like marketing the game, which is a whole other beast that I'm not ready to handle. Good. And I'm just changing all the walls because I made too many. You can just use one instead of multiple walls lining up. It's a lot better for organization. This is also my preferred method of doing things. So if you calculate and sync that movement well on client, you can send from server movement packets only if you start range. Like every 50 units, for example, it will work smooth. I think it doesn't matter too much how the AI moves from point A to B, as long as it arrives at the same location for every client in the server. I think it's fine. So a game called Palia, I don't know if you know. Palia, this game does the same thing. But it's not a combat game though, it's like a Harvest Moon kind of game. Combat isn't the main mechanic for those, but I think it's fine. Especially when you're doing, unless you're in a boss raid. So maybe when you're in instances, you should sync up the movement more. That's what I'm thinking about. What kind of game is it though? I've seen all the pics, but I'm not sure if you're actually doing a combat game. Yes, but on client it should be correctly synced with movement, because if you're not sync speed well, for example, client will still move to point B, but in the same time already attack for while server this client already. That's true. But when you attack, you can send like a message to the server saying that, oh, I'm actually at this location, and then you can change point B for all your clients, right? I mean, of course, if you're doing like very short distances, like from the position of point B from where the player attack wouldn't be so far apart that it will look too crazy. Like it will be like a sword hitting a guy from like 10 meters away or something like that. It probably wouldn't look like that. Yeah, that's true. How often are you sending yours now? But I guess like different types of things will be sent differently, because for inventory update, you probably don't need to update it every 20 units. Yeah, inventory update, you probably don't need to update it every time, every frame or something like that, right? You'll just update it when a player collects a new item. Yeah. So what kind of game is it though? Is there a story? My glasses are falling off. I made such a mess. I'll clean it up. Very interesting to make it understand how it works, and cool when you get some result. Yeah, I get how you feel. So you're not planning to publish it at all, eventually? Well, we're gonna reduce this height a bit. I do not have any kind of plans for publish it or monetize it, just for experience and learning. Oh, that's too bad, man. It actually looks fun though. I'm not lying. It actually looks fun. Why go through all the trouble to find the right assets if you're not gonna publish it though? I'm always feeling that I'm still bad in things that I'm doing. Oh, you're pretty good. You're really good. Compared to all the people that I've seen, you're really good. No problem, man. I think the game devs community is small and we should always support each other too. Where did you learn how to do all of this though? Is it from YouTube? Because I know that Unreal's API for scripting is like not really there. Like it's not like you can't find it's like a completely black box, and sometimes optimizing Unreal is pretty difficult. ChatGPT. Okay, that's true. Okay, I done a lot with ChatGPT too. I'm running Linux right now, but a lot of my questions like how do I download this, how do I download that, is all from GPT too. How are you finding the new GPT-5? Does it talk in Russian? You talk to it in Russian? Okay, I need to find some assets to match this base up. Maybe like an altar or something. Oh, there we go. Altar right there. I feel that I made this too big. No, it's correct. It's correct size. It's just this is small, I think. Oh man, I'm not sure anymore. Oh man. Let me see if I can find. Can I turn on the developer assets? Oh, I have it already. Many. Oh shit, I put in the wrong thing. The GPT-5 is good, but not as good as Claude. Oh. Okay, I definitely made this building too big. Cloud in code. That's what I've been hearing. I go onto a different stream for all my AI needs. What is this? Why can't I take him out now? Let me see if I can find him. I may have irreversibly changed this when I can't find the mannequin that I put in. They called APB post process. Anim blueprint. Okay, let me save. Let me reopen this map. It's gone. I'm using Copilot for coding, it helps a lot. I manipulate what I need, check results and tell him what is wrong in logic and in code, and it will fix it. Do you help to build architecture? It's some kind of dialogue for questions and clarification, then decisions and implementations. I see. So is it like half? You're letting what do you call it? Sorry, I forgot what's it called. Copilot. Are you letting like Copilot like write code for you, or like half? Like you're doing half of the work and then Copilot is doing half of it. But how do you deal with all the problems where like it's creating stuff that you They just keep building onto more and more stuff, and you're not sure whether it's using the stuff that it's making or not. Like sometimes you will have, like you have a bug and then you ask it to fix it, right? Then it might create like a whole new function in your script, and then you're not sure whether you still need it or not. How do you know when to clean up? What to clean up from your stuff? Understand code where it is wrong. That's how I currently use it too, but I'm not using Copilot, and I'm not letting the AI touch the code that I'm doing at all, because I'm just not comfortable with it. If that makes sense. I'm gonna select everything except for this door, this floor. I need to downsize everything. Okay, it's gonna break everything. Yeah, skill objects. Workspace. Nope, doesn't work. Oh no, I gotta downsize things. Wait, maybe I select the one at the bottom. Debug logic is all based on this. I understand, I suppose where could be a problem in code or logic. Tell him and he tell me back. Yes, you are right. Something like this. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I like it for that. Like helps you process your thoughts, I guess. And makes you lets you theory craft your ideas, like whether it will work or not. And sometimes I have like this interesting problem and I'm just wondering, I don't want to invest the time into doing it. So I just go and I just ask it like, hey, what do you think about this? Yeah, exactly. Some reason it's not sizing this. Okay, it's fine. Already selected. When I asked her why she stayed, she just leaned in close and sparked. It's not about the words you say, it's the way they leave your mouth. Yeah, it's great for prototyping. So you figure out networking just from AI? Oh, it's not great, but it could be improved in future if you will understand that this is the project. Yeah, and you can hire somebody to do it if you're a big company. I'll tell your juniors to like, hey, can you fix this spaghetti code? I'm just checking for any Z fighting right now. I ended up having to resize most of the models because the original sizes that I was given for that they were using doesn't fit with the rest of the scale. Yeah, it works and it's great. I'm surprised that GPT managed to find any code for Unreal though. Wonder where it found it from. We read it. It's centered? Yeah, it's centered. Okay, now this I can hopefully just scale down. No. It is better. Yeah. Do you pay for the subscription? Is some kind of player size MB to understand is it huge or small? Yeah, okay, you're right. Let me pull out the mannequin again. Let me just put it here somewhere. Just now I pulled out the wrong one. IK mannequin. Is this a static mesh? No, it's an anime sequence. Let me pull this. Wait, what? Player? Trying to find a third person content developer. Nope. Engine? Could be here somewhere. Actually, let me pull out the scene. Oh, crash. It's not letting me do anything. Let me just quit this out. I wonder if I saved. No, I didn't have any starter content. Actually, you can just access all the content in your pre-made, or all the content in the pre-made levels, like third person and first person. You can already access it through the developer content on Unreal, no matter what project you're using. I'm gonna turn on my air conditioner again. It's so hot outside, man. Oh my god. Give it some time for Unreal to close here. So later when Unreal closes, oh, it's already closed. Alright. I'll show you how to access the developer content. I mean, it's already there, but it's just hidden from regular users, I guess. It's big again. So basically you go into this gear button here, and then right here it shows developer content. Then you can just go into oops. Then when you go into your project file, right above the content folder, you got the engine folder. And in the engine folder, it shows you all the stuff the engine has. Like your starter content, your third person, mannequin, and your first person stuff is all here. So you don't necessarily need to build from start from a third person thing. And I feel it's more clean to do it this way anyway. It's still lagging a little bit. I'll close it. Yeah, stuttering a bit. But I'm sure it will settle down. I'm back to resizing this again. I gotta remember to save next time. Yeah, back to 1. I'll take this, this, and this. Yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot this one doesn't scale well. Still lagging. Why? The outside doesn't matter. Nobody's gonna see it. I'm just focusing on the interior right now. Just in case any of the viewers are wondering why I'm leaving all this giant ugly thing there. Alright, so what the plan was to do for the scale is to just add a shape. Cylinder. If I'm not wrong, this is already 1 meter tall. I think generally people use like 1.6. No, I didn't find the mannequin, but I don't need it. Because I think the mannequin is a blueprint. I don't want to use that. I feel like it just adds extra weight, extra processing power, I guess, to it. So I'm just gonna use the cylinder and just scale it up to 1.6 meter. So 1.6 is, I think, generally what people use for layer height. Should be okay. Okay, the stuttering is gone now. Okay, I'm feeling better about this. For this session of the stream, I'm kind of hoping for 180. Damn, man. ChatGPT. Okay. You know, I'm only 170. That's not fair. Just catching strays. So thanks for searching that out for me. 180, that's like so tall. Oh boy. Oh, do you pay for the subscriptions for the AI? That's what I wanted to ask you. Oh, so Claude, you paying for Claudie? Not sure how to pronounce that. What portfolio am I making? I like this dude. I'm making my technical art portfolio. I can show you what I have right now. So I've actually got all my technical stuff already done. So I'll just show, like, this is a real game that I made from my previous company that I was in. So I already made quite a bit of technical tools already. So right now I'm focusing on the visual side of being a technical artist. So I'm trying to create a very I call it a very aesthetic environment, and then just showcasing that my understanding of art is there and my lighting is there. Yeah, I do both Unity and Unreal. I'm more versed in Unity's technical side, and Unreal's blueprint's about the same as coding, so it's not a big deal. I mean, I'm good at it, but it's not really a big deal. So now I'm focusing on like environment design as well as lighting, PCG, and Niagara. A little bit of blueprint, but I'm not focusing on that since scripting is not that big a deal for a technical artist yet. So this one was what I did for my last few streams, the abandoned house. Yeah, but you can see this. But this portfolio is on my link somewhere below, I think. So if you want to take a deeper dive into it, you can, and you can ask me anything about it. I'm open to sharing. But I'm mainly trying to focus on doing PCG stuff, and that's why I'm building a whole new environment. I'll do more PCG. Yeah, this is just what the game industry people want to see. It's inside the subscription to Copilot. You could choose model there. I see. Oh, I thought Copilot was just another AI that was in VS Code. Let me move this down far. Let's slow down a bit. Okay, this is sort one. Okay. I'll resize this wall. I like this dude. Which engine do you use though? Are you a developer too? Need to change this to 4. Mainly use Unity. Are you working on a project yourself? Kraken's doing his own MMORPG, which is pretty cool. It looks nice with all his prototype art, which I think is already pretty flushed out, but he doesn't want to publish it. So it's just for me to know. Do I work in the Chinese market? No, this. So I'm guessing you're looking at Parallel. No, Parallel is actually I'm not sure where the client is from, but I'm open to relocating to anywhere actually. But I understand, like I have seen like a few recruiters who ask me to go to Changchun. I forgot what's the place, but it's the mountain area to do game dev. To Ukraine? Actually, there was one. I told you, right? There was one position at Ukraine. But I forgot what's the developer called. Would it be cool? Relocating anywhere would be actually pretty fun. I stayed at Taiwan for a year for army though. And that was pretty fun. I'm in Singapore, so like you can't afford a car on a normal salary. Our cars here are so expensive, man. Feel like it can be wider. Let me just delete all these walls that I don't need right now. Then, are you from China? I mean, not to say that Chinese have to be from China, but it's where all the Chinese game development places are right now. At least from what I understand from the recruiter that talked to me. But I did a lot of work for the Parallel game. Most of the UI I've worked on. Let me see. If you're interested in knowing. I worked on this is an NFT game. The NFT is the cards as well as some visual stuff that you can buy. So I worked in this company called Electric Square, and we are a co-developer to Parallel NFT. So Parallel NFT decided on how they designed the game, and then we just developed the actual game itself. Then I worked on the cards and the playing field, the effects, the shop, the shaders, a lot of I'm the only technical artist on the project, so I did a lot of tech art stuff for this, creating tools as well. It's all pretty fun and good. Yeah. Mostly Chinese devs make AAA games like games in Unity. Western Unity devs are mostly solo. That's why I guess. Oh. Maybe. Honestly, I'm not too sure. Actually, I thought it was the... Okay, maybe now. Because from what I understand, the Chinese area, they focus more on mobile games the past few years. Because the mobile market in China is a lot better. But recently with Wukong and the other game, I forgot what it called, the one with the girl with the spear. They started working on Unreal, but Unreal is a mess, man. Unreal is a mess. The optimization is very difficult. And it's not very well documented on how you're gonna optimize the game in Unreal. Even now, Wukong is still not optimized yet. So it's tough. It's tough to work on Unreal. But for games like Witcher, where they got Unreal's help, hopefully it'll be better. Witcher 4. Actually, I haven't watched the showcase for Witcher 4 yet with Unreal, and I should watch that eventually. But yeah, I'm trying to break into trying to get into a AAA company right now. Hopefully I can. Maybe I worked on this side. Seems like I messed up the length. Oh, what was that? Oh, thank you, Sharken, for the follow. Actually, I'm not sure what to do with myself here. But thank you so much for the follow. Yeah, 2 more follows to be affiliated, guys. Let's go. Okay. Is it not fallen, the rest? Oh, I didn't pick this. Oh, no problem, man. I had a good time talking to you too. It's cool sharing progress on the project. It really motivates me. I hope it motivates you to do more stuff and maybe publish your game. Right now I feel like I'm responsible to finish this project also. Now that so many people have seen it. I'm gonna line this up. Okay. Now that it's lined up, I can just yoink. Changes to 10. Yeah, that should be fine. Then this part. Yeah, I need to work on the altar now. Finish. Altar table. I'm gonna need to pull out everything. Let me pull out everything here. Oh, what is this? Oh, why does this need this? Oh, okay. It's like some big... Why can't I click it? Oh, why can't I click this? The top? Yeah? Okay, I might need to find a reference here. Cathedral... Altar... Altar... I don't see the big staircase one. I need to type in staircase. Interesting. Not there. Okay, maybe I'll focus on the altar, the decoration a bit later once I'm done with the rest of the building. I think I want like another I don't know what I call it, it's like a cove here. Let me find it. Let's see if there's a single arch ceiling. It's big. There's a triple. I'm looking for single or double. Yeah, I like that. Pretty good. That's pretty nice. Pull this out. Not the one. Looking for the flat one. Ah, there it is. Wait, what am I doing? I already have one here. Yeah. Let's see. Cathedral interior. Oh, it's pretty grand looking actually. Wow. I might have bitten more than I can chew. We need to downsize this a little bit. I'm having some thoughts now. And instead of this wall, I'm gonna build like this part here. So it's gonna need to, instead of one solid wall there, I'm gonna have like arches all the way down. You know, look way better than before. I might have to expand this out. Okay. One more here. Okay, then they have like a normal seating afterwards. See if they got seating here. What they do? Downstairs. Where do you go? Gotta change it to 0.1. Wait. A little bit bigger. .12. Yeah. Doesn't work. Let me take a floor. Is this? Yeah. Man, I love tiling textures, man. This thing is so easy. Yes. Oh my gosh. Oh, perfect. This is a lot more annoying than I expected. Now I need to find pillar. Okay, we'll use the pillar later. I'm thinking of using PCG to do the pillars now, since there's gonna be so many. My stomach just growled. I don't know if you guys heard that. I'm not hungry though. This is because I went to the gym earlier today and then I had some pretty I guess gym food. Not settling well, I guess. You are living in New York now? No, I'm not living in New York. I'm in Singapore. Man, I wish I'm American though. So many game development places there. Just like that. Is it cheap to live in Singapore? That's a tough question, man. It's cheap if you're a citizen. For some things, it's cheap. If you already have a house, it's pretty cheap. It's pretty cheap. But if you're coming in to relocate over, then it's probably not cheap. You're paying quite a bit for rent. Eggs, like a carton of 12 is like $3. Bread is probably like $2 or something like that. Rents, I think one bedroom is about 800 SGD. So, okay, wait, one carton of egg is SGD to USD. It's like $4 can get you one carton, so 3 USD. Not too bad. Bread, I think it's about $3 or $2, so $2.50. And rent, one bedroom is $800. Yeah, I think you can get a like you're renting just one bedroom of a house is $800, but if you want a 3-bedroom apartment, it's about, I think I've seen it for 1,600, but the location is not too good. If you want to live somewhere closer to central area where all the offices are, I think you're looking at 3,000 to 2,700. Yes. Yeah. At 2.1. Why are you thinking of coming over if the border opens up? Singapore's super saturated though with foreigners right now. Yeah, it's not a good idea. I mean, I'm talking about this wall. Just interested to compare prices here. Oh yeah? How much is bread, eggs and rent Ukraine right now? I guess it's affected by the war right now. But it's still good to know. I heard if you press N, it was... No? Is it N? Nope. Okay, never mind, I'm wrong. I thought there was a button that lets you auto-align to the floor or something. Ah, my posture. Let me lie down again. I mean, lay back on my chair. X17. Is this in USD? Oh man, that's super cheap, yo, compared to Singapore. That's honestly pretty good. That's pretty good prices. I'm coming to Ukraine. I don't care about Russia anymore. I'm gonna work. I'm having trouble with this transition for the cathedral. You got this giant part. Much cheaper before war. Yeah. Trump is not a big help for the war either, I think. How many times he's told what's this guy? What's your Ukraine president again? Zelensky? How many times he told Zelensky to just let Russia win or something? I don't think he'll do anything, man. Sorry. How many meetings has he had? Are you hopeful? Do you feel this time will be different? It's small, it's too big. No big hope for any big changes, yeah. But it's okay, right? I mean, I don't want to assume, but I haven't had any news about Ukraine too much recently. So I'm assuming the attacks aren't working out. Oh, there was that one news where Putin found like a fleet of tanks, which is his last fleet. That's what I heard. So it looks like Putin's not working out for them. That is not okay. I can't go to any other country. Oh. Well, I can't afford to go to any other country, so I guess I can't. I guess even if I want to work there, I can't go in there, right? Because of the closed border. Damn. Before war, I was traveling and looking for other country to live. Which country were your top picks? Top 3? I was gonna go work at Riyadh, Saudi Riyadh, before the studio closed. I was pretty excited to move to Unfortunately, the studio had to shut down. But I'm looking for archers to match this side here. But I don't think they have any. There was this one. Let's see if this one can line up with this. No. It's hard. Japan is my dream, but it's very expensive and a lot of bureaucracy. I just went to a holiday in Japan, man. In I like to say April. I think it's fun to be there for a holiday, but it's not really that great of a place to work at. I don't know if you heard any different from that though. Sorry, this thing is not lining up. Gotta pull this forward a bit. Okay, that's better. So now I just need to connect this part with this. Okay. Zelensky is a pretty cool name though. Let me see if they got other types of windows that I can use that's not so grand. Oh, there it is. Not so grand. Let me see this one. Okay, doesn't. Vladimir Zelensky. Too cool, man. That's too cool. That's such a cool name, man. It's cool, right? Even in Ukraine standards, it just sounds so sounds like a boss, I guess. I want to use other assets instead of this wall. I want to use this. This is so cool looking. Wait, I gotta focus up. I need to finish the main building. I'm surprised they don't have a lot of walls to use. It's static mesh. What's this? Stone arch. Okay. That's better. Okay, let me build out the second floor a bit. I can see how the scale of your on the y-axis. Okay. What is there? This line. Where my mouse go? That's good. Yeah. Wall don't completely align with this. Okay. The next thing I want is that wait, let me just bring in the player so that I can test it out. It's not as grand as I think it feels. I need to double it up. Let me take 2 away. Double the size. Save that, let me see. Yeah, this feels a bit more grander than it was. Let me just test out your pillar piece. Doesn't matter if it doesn't align. Just want to see how it feels. Is it? You know a bit? Maybe one more. That looks and feels good. Doesn't work. These pillars are good though. Wait, I'll leave them here first and work on. Thing is, I want an alcove into this area here. I think this is good here, a bit higher. I just need arch. Maybe this one. Okay, maybe not this one. I think I know what's that. I think this arch is for like the main center arch. Main center arch for this whole building. Right. So let me just pull this up here. Yeah, for this main area here. But I think I have other plans for the center. But I might not use this. Yeah. So I'm just gonna pull out the one that lines up. That's also for the central area. Same one. Okay, I'm just gonna pull this then.
For you, you tell me that you love me. You tell me that you love me. I dream of you whenever I'm not with you. My love, my love, my love for you.
This one needs to be higher. Not sure. Not sure if the assets are meant to be used this way, but looking good for me. I just need to connect this part with this, and I'm still not sure how I'm gonna do that. Maybe this piece? Does seem correct.
I believe it.
But the height difference is so big though. Let me see if I can put this high. Yeah, I think I have to put it high. It's not a big deal. I can just use another ball. Does this look okay? Does this look okay? No collisions here. Be fine. So, okay. Just need to cover this portion up. Have a good stream and progress. I will go to work. See you. Alright, see you, Shakan. Thanks for coming over, talking to me. Hope to see you next time. See you. Is it not aligned? What's going on here? When the alignment's not perfect. Might be better. Just trying to cover up all these holes. It was a lot more difficult than I expected it to be. Oh no. This one's connected. Okay, so I'm gonna try and connect this part to this part now. Plus, wait, maybe that work? Yeah, I don't think so. Maybe I just use the same one. It's a little bit better. Yeah. Let me turn off this. Okay, that probably works. Some light bleeding through, but from where? Oh, from the top here. Okay, I can fix that eventually, but not right now. Okay, this is actually coming along pretty well. I just need to turn on. Good. Nice. out. Oh man, so hard today. Hang on, let me check whether my webcam is too dark. Good. Alright, the sun is setting, so I'm a bit cautious about how the lighting looks. Let me try turn on some lights. Doesn't change much yet, but maybe be good. Don't need this. Not wrong, I move this over here. Right, it's just one. Yeah. Now I can just join this over. Interesting. Turn this off. Okay, that's super visible. Maybe I toggle off in. Yeah. 3.5, 3.34, 3.35. Okay, that's fine. Ah, my eye's so itchy. I need to cut my hair. It's getting there. I think it needs to be a bit longer. Kind of want to make the stage, the podium, the altar, like some stairs, right? And bottom. Just switch this to 10 so I can see what's going on. Trying to kit bash. Here's a cinema. I think cinema is a stage. Yeah, that's good. I just need the stairs now. Eat. Oh, freak. I thought I pulled out like some world destroying asset. Or some sort of world destroying asset. This is not static. Okay. Content, concert hall, movie. I think concert hall is the one. Doesn't look like stairs. Oh, I see. It's kind of like that. We gotta reduce the sizes. I can do that. Notch it. With that mirror on the y-axis. SM floor. Let me switch on the aircon again. Settle the stage first. See, they got just double floors. They do not in the shape that I want. See this? Yeah. Okay, there's no thing here. Wait, what? Just realized there's nothing there. Hmm. It's not right. Let me go look at another asset. Yeah. Baseboard. I think that's for walls. Need a stage. Some wall shots. Actually, that could work. Yeah, wait a minute. I'll move this out here. Oh wait, that doesn't work. It is reliant on the fact that there's a wall on the side. Wait, if there isn't a wall, then too bad. Let me see. U beam. I think. Oh man. Alright, back to the outer. Cabinet. This could be it. Oh, Zidane. Yeah, face reveal. Yeah, but I need to cut my hair. This is not how it usually is. I'm just too lazy to go over. It's so hot right now. I was supposed to go yesterday and cut my hair, but it started raining and I fell asleep. And I woke up at like 10. How you doing? You fix your server bug? Actually, you just missed the guy who is doing server stuff, networking stuff on Unreal. Maybe you could have asked him how to fix your issue. You are still having it. But I'm feeling super embarrassed with my face though. I'm just trying not to look at it. Okay. The guy used ChatGPT and then just let ChatGPT just do whatever it wants to do, and they sort of fixed it. I don't know if you want to try the same thing. I gotta fill out this centerpiece here. Broken. Broken. It's like it's meant to be. Oh man. Like it's meant to be there. Oh man. I tried. He's saying the things that I double checked a week ago, so no use. I kind of lost. Keep doing this blind experiments. Yeah, server stuff is such a headache, man. I'm trying to think of reasons that could cause it, but I also can't figure it out. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just turn this around. Alright, never mind. Doesn't really work. Can I just change it like this? Oh, it can! Oh my god! Why is it not letting me change now? Oh shit. Oh shit, I don't even need to put in effort. I'm gonna go into this one, see if I can change the color. What? The parent master. VC tin. I think I need it redder. Redder. How am I doing? I'm doing pretty good. I'm trying to go for a longer stream, but I'm feeling a bit sleepy already. I'll try my best. Yeah, I'm doing a new portfolio piece. The concept is a cathedral party. I don't know if you know about the urban explorers where they like explore abandoned buildings and stuff. So this is gonna be something like that. So the video is gonna be like an explorer is in a subway and then he crawls up into a tight space and then he gets into the cathedral where it's like some sort of secret party has happened and then he's just there for like the aftermath of it. And I'm just trying to do like an opposite concept of the previous one. The previous one I did like a haunted house, right? So now I want to do like a safe space, like a safe space sort of kind of area. So I'm thinking like this roof will be like a little bit broken, a little bit not broken, and then some light will bleed through. Yeah. Right now I'm just building out the main location. So it's not too exciting. None of the PCG stuff is happening yet. But soon. I think I'll get to PCG today. I need the floor actually. Right. Alright. Just gonna cheat. And this one I can pull up higher, look nicer. I'm sure this is gonna be something really cool. Oh, thanks, man. I hope so too. I'm not too used to this concept either. But it should be cool. Right now the lighting's not there yet. But I'll get there. Oh. How about you? How are you feeling? Concert hall? Go hit play and see how it looks. A bit better. Oh yeah? Yeah, it's kind of like the old meets a modern kind of vibe. I'm gonna try and do that. Or do you want to do that for yours? Your neon, like a neon church mode on your area. Okay, nothing happened. Cabinet broken 2 meters. Okay, I'll take that. Oh, I'm surprised you guys can do such a long stream though. You will have no churches. Oh. Why not churches, man? That's a cool area too. To build it in the modding map. Is that like flickering? I'm sure is this good idea for the stream we're just doing. Oh, I do long stream? No. This just my regular work day. 10 easy. Oh. I don't know, I feel like I need to stretch a bit, like take a walk, like maybe like 5-15 minute break in between every few hours. If not, I just like, I feel my life breathe before me. Cabin and same. This one's broken. you go to Villain's stream? He changed his time to stream like at night, but I think it's changing back. I just saw him this morning when I woke up also. He said he wasn't getting as many viewers, so he wanted to change it back. I need to see the unlit version. Why does this look so dark? Yeah, it's dark. Let me see if there's a way to change the brightness. Roughness. Oh. Maybe if I can lighten this up. Oh, it didn't really work. Oh well. I'll adjust the material if it messes up the whole look of it. But I don't know if my content is like exciting for the stream though. Once I like kind of feel like I'm losing steam, I don't think I can continue. But I managed to get 1 follower today though. Yeah. Oh yeah, I crashed. Oh, my stream crashed. Like at 1 hour mark too. We have no sleep schedule right now, but I feel it's better for me to stream the hours that fit to my normal time. After 30, it's hard to be online after 3 AM. Oh. Wait, how old are you? I'm like 30 this year, but not yet. I'm still 29. $34. Oh, to be honest, it didn't look 34 to me. Felt like we were the same age. Just messing with the door for no reason. Do you feel embarrassed being in front of the camera so much? I feel like I might do something that I regret in front of it. Do I want to apply changes to the original material? Prop master, no. Now I need to build up the second floor. Oh yeah, I still need this alcove here. Yeah, I wanted to extend it. Okay. 2 more seems correct. Everything is okay. I see no reason to feel embarrassed. Oh. I don't know, maybe it's just being Asian, I guess. Yeah, you know what? It might be the glasses. I'm not supposed to wear these glasses too long. I just forgot. The prescription for these spectacles, the degrees is too high, I think. It's too accurate. I'm seeing in HD. And it's straining my eyes. Being nervous is something really natural for any human who go away after a certain period of time. Keep the good work. Okay, do my best. Have you streamed with other people before? Or it's always just you? Like you're streaming with your brother? I don't know what you call it, like a co-streaming? Is it? On Twitch? You see, invite a guest, I don't know. Something like that. For here, I want to make like a doorway. Okay, that's reasonable. Let's do 10. I do talk with viewers when I have viewers. My brother do not stream, and well, my local fellow humans, they do not know that I do stream. Same, I do the same. I don't want to tell my friends that I stream. I feel so shy. It's like getting like some sort of inspector coming over and just take a look at your work, like looking at everything I do. So scary, man. Line up. Yep. Okay, this doesn't feel. Oh, sorry. It looks more like a castle now than a cathedral. Not sure it's because I made it too white. We'll see. Yeah, different reasons. They are not interested in game dev. It's not native language for them. It's not something that could impress them. Yeah. Yeah, I also feel the same. I mean, at least my friends are interested, are game developers, but yeah, it wouldn't be cool. It feels like I'm asking them to come over to just boost my viewers. Which I don't really need, you know, I'm still just doing my work, getting out what I want from streaming too. So I need to build like a roof. But the cathedrals are all kind of narrower than I expected. I mean, there's some big ones. So I'll do a big one, maybe. I kind of want like this overhang going on. Not sure how to explain it, but yeah. So I want like there to be this crack in the ceiling, in the roof. So when the wind, no, there's a crack in the roof, so the sunlight can come in. So I don't want to block too much of the ceiling with the second floor here. The second floor is supposed to be like a balcony right here, so that people can just come out and hang out around this area. I'm not sure. I kind of want like broken walls too. Right, walls again. On base boards. Cool. Wait, what's this? Oh, gray box and yeah, I should, but I'm lazy. Oh, where'd my mouse go? Okay. You locked in here. Let me check this side. Oh, same. It looks fine here. Okay. Looking good. I made it smaller. Delete this. Let's see what assets I have. So much. Okay. Content, green crypt, environment. See if there's any roof I can use. Actually, that's not bad. Something like that. Yeah, that's not bad. Oh, there's quite a few. Hmm. Hmm. Maybe are you there? And I can't believe I'm stuck on this process here. I don't usually get stuck trying to build. Oh. Oh. Hey man. No worries if you gotta go though. I'm just processing what I'm trying to do. Because right now, I'm kind of stuck on how to do the second floor. I'm not sure if it's gonna work out. Just need more references. Oh. Why am I typing weird? Right, there's this wall thing. I do work on the background trying to solve this solution. Oh, that's good. It's good. Let's co-work together. Yeah, the thing is they have this central part that is quite intricate. Yeah, I can do that. I'm thinking whether I should start the PCG now also. Just to solve some minor issues. Right, this is already got normal walls. Or at least easier. Looking for the one that has the decoration. Touch. There we go. Okay, I guess I'll start on the PCG now. Do one. So I can improve the process. Oh no, I didn't activate PCG. PCG framework. This one. Yeah, I just need these two. Done. PCG graph. Let's do blueprint for. Wait. No, PCG graph. Default. PCG wall. Decorated wall. So what I want to do is sample spline sampler. Oh, I need to get spline first. Get spline data by tag. Echo wall spline. All wall actor, select multiple, must overlap cell. Okay. Let me spot it. Yeah. Okay. Oh, I'm getting some lag for some reason. This. Let me check why I'm lagging. Oh, I'm not comfortable with the lag. Gotta restart. Hmm. It looks pretty bad. I think I'm gonna end the stream right now. I'm gonna call it for this today because I'm having some technical issues. I'm lagging a bit. So I'll come back next time with a better plan for this area, and hopefully I'll figure out what's causing this lag. I'm not sure whether it's because of the extended. Did something wrong with the PCG and I need to restart my computer. But I'll have a better plan next time. So thanks everybody for joining me today. Yeah, hopefully I'll bring in more energy next time. Sorry, what kind of what? Of lag? I don't know if you can tell on the stream, but you can see that it's like stuttering. It's not just stuttering, it's like freezing a bit. And I'm actually moving my mouse now, and it's like not smooth at all. Not sure whether it's because of the project causing some lag. But I did it for the previous one, there was no problem. So we'll have to see in a bit. It was also just nice, it's 7 PM. I should probably have. The lag. Yeah, I'm gonna call it. It's lagging out. I'm so afraid that everything will crash. Thanks, Jidin, for joining me today. Hopefully next time you join, I'll probably be in a better position again, and we can have a better conversation. Oh, it's not as better. It's not completely better. I think it might be my computer having its VRAM filling up. Okay. Alright, thank you so much then. I'll join your stream when you're on. I'll see you next time. I'll try to stream tomorrow also, but that's it. Thank you so much. Bye bye.